When you really feel absolutely nobody is around you, you're the only person. So much peace for you. Already you're relaxed. You don't have to please anybody, so the tension is relieved. And you don't have to customize your attitude because somebody is there, so you're relieved. Naturally, the mind has less participation now because there is no such work for the mind now because you're alone. Mind can only work when you go outside. So now, mind becomes a bit subtle and the heart takes over. Heart takes over. Then you start getting beautiful ideas. Oh God, really? How come I didn't do this work? How come I didn't say this? Because you get all the insights when you're peaceful, in a peaceful state of mind. That means when the mind is not working intensely. Because the heart consciousness starts blossoming and opening up. Like you're not just going home, you're going to the home, your inner home as well, your heart. I mean, in the sense, state of heart consciousness there. And then relaxed. And you get so much insight. And you become like a great saint, and you're so compassionate, and you're so natural. And you can see past, present, and the future because you're alone. It's called ekanta in Sanskrit. Ekanta, shanti, like silence, retreat. You're on your own. Then gradually, if you can really make a little more effort to really enhance that kind of feeling, then it takes you to the real inner consciousness, that what you call Atma, or your soul or spirit, individual spirit. That has got abundant energies and grace and higher information. During that time, you don't see any problem at all, absolutely no problem. Just oneness and peace. You are timeless. And that gets connected with the spirit in the universe. Then you will know many things about the universe. Do you think all astrophysicists have discovered only by peeping through the telescope? No, many a time they were thinking and contemplating deep about space, about outer space, about stars, about remote celestial bodies. Then something came to their hearts, insights, they got it, some intuition. Then they really went looking for some materials to help them to see, is it true? Eventually they envisioned, they really saw them. So the point is, the mind is there only to communicate with the world, and heart is there to communicate with your deeper self, that is for you. So heart is there to create and to express love, express emotions, to express positive energies, because it's pure. Pure consciousness is seen in the heart region, and it is innocent, and you're so just graceful and natural and absolutely relaxed. At that time, brain is totally relaxed because it's just following the rules of nature. Other than that, there's no any extra work. Extra work, isn't it? That's the reason when you get into debate, argument, then you get tired easily, because you have to really use your mind tremendously. You have to feel less of your presence in the heart, and you have to really express vigorously and doubting all the time and attacking the person using your harsh sounds and harsh words. So what happens? And it's going to bounce back to you. Reflecting, whatever you say, it reflects instantaneously, like light coming back, the dark matter coming back. When you say to somebody you are absolutely pathetic or something, it's going to immediately come back to you. In order to express that, you should look pathetic first. You can take your picture at the time when you say, when you get angry, how you look like. Even before it reaches the other person's head, already you have really experienced at least 70% of your meaning. So you are the first target. You are attacked by yourself. Then it may go to the other person. Again, that's not the end of the story. It's going to come back quickly. In a matter of seconds, not even seconds, milliseconds. Because the other person has got the same mirror of consciousness, he's going to reflect. Even if that person doesn't say on the surface, but still the energy is like arrows come back immediately and affect us. And it goes on really multiplying like that for some time unless really we settle down, we cool off. In order to recover the loss of energy, you need to really work so hard for some time in order to regain the energy that you lost when you were really engaged in such negative activity. It's so interesting. So I'm not asking you to really do it right now and to change and become golden beings. We are golden deep down within ourselves, but at least the first step is to raise our conscious awareness. That's the reason we named this institution or organization, whatever you call, school of thought, Center for Conscious Awareness. This center, this consciousness and awareness. So that's what we experience, isn't it? That's called dhyana. Through dhyana, we experience it. Nature has expressed us, so that's why we are here. So we have to express ourselves, then nature will be much happier, then we will be blessed more with more gifts.